When a business grows, information spreads across files, spreadsheets, and scattered systems. MICO360 brings everything back into one connected ecosystem, where HR, operations, finance, training, inspections, and compliance work together effortlessly. It cuts down manual work and replaces it with smart automation. Employees get clarity, managers gain control, and the whole organization benefits from real-time visibility. From onboarding to payroll, from journey planning to training, every process becomes quicker and easier to manage. The HR and operations module keeps workforce data organized in one clean workflow. Profiles, documents, contracts, leave, awards, and tasks managed with full transparency and automation. The finance module simplifies payroll and expenses. Salaries calculate automatically, PASI adjusts instantly, pay slips generate in one click, and expense claims move smoothly through approvals, accurate and error-free. TMS 360 is another module of MICO360, which helps organizations to build team capability with structured training, certification tracking, and ISO-ready competency management. Journey Plan Management digitizes route planning, vehicle assignment, and approvals, removing travel paperwork entirely. Work Order Management keeps daily operations on track with clear assignments and real-time progress visibility. Every action turns into insights through dashboards that highlight salaries, documents, expenses, training, and overall performance. Powered by secure cloud architecture, MICO360 offers fast access, real-time sync, and strong protection, reliable, scalable, and ready anywhere. Businesses don't need more tools. They need one system that does it right. Switch to MICO360 and give your organization the clarity, control, and automation it deserves. MICO360 offers a customized business solutions that meets your business needs. So take the next step and upgrade the way your business runs.